welcome back to my channel, Happy Hookers. Today we're going to be learning how to create the wattle stitch, which for me in the UK has a really bizarre name. I'm not sure I like the word wattle. It's a little bit like the word moist. Everyone's got their word that they don't like, and I'm not sure I like the wattle, so I may look for an alternative name for this. And if there's one thing crochet definitely gives us is a multitude of names for the same stitch. So to get started, you're going to need to grab your yarn and your hook, obviously, and then we're going to make a slip knot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chain in multiples of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I can hear my very naughty cat behind me climbing up on the side. I don't know if you fellow crocheters also have cats, but they can be a little bit cumbersome when it comes to trying to keep your yarn intact. 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you'd like to see her and her naughty self. She is very cute, but unfortunately she does like to eat yarn. And it doesn't matter how long it is, she'll eat the whole string of it. So giving her a piece to play with. Yep, we'll just stick there. Isn't always the best, because one minute it's sort of like, and then the next minute it disappears. So we've got our multiples of 3 and we're going to work into the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to place a single crochet, a chain and a double crochet. So to start our single crochet, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull back through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Nice and easy. You're going to chain 1 and you're going to do a double, and this is US terminology. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Perfect. So single, chain, double. You're then going to skip 2 stitches and you're going to do exactly the same in that 3rd stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through for 2, yarn over, pull through 2, a chain and then a double. So yarn over first, insert into the same place, pull back through, yarn over through 2, there we go, and yarn over through 2. Let's have some more yarn. So skip, skip, 3rd one along, insert for a single, chain of 2, no, chain of 1, yarn over, double into the same place, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, skip, skip, single, chain, and then a double. And that is pretty much the wattle stitch. So you've got 3 left. When you've got 3 left, what you're going to do is you're going to half double crochet into the very last one. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that last stitch and pull back through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Da-da. Da-da. I never normally say that. Could be my new catchphrase. So row 2, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up because it really does help your gal out on YouTube. So you're going to chain 1 and you're going to turn. And then what you need to do is you need to locate the chain 1 space. So if we take a look at this bundle here, we can see we've got our, what would have been if we're working in reverse, our double, our chain and our single. So this is our chain, and if we do this, can you see we've got a nice little gap there. What you're going to do is you're going to work into this area. So you're going to single into this area, chain, and then you're going to double into this area like so. And then you're going to do the same. So move along, find your section. You can see you've got your, so essentially you're skipping 2 stitches because you're skipping your single here, you're skipping your double here, and you're locating your chain 1 space there, and you're inserting your hook in for a single, a chain and a double. Oh, peace and quiet. My little kitty's obviously gone off for an afternoon snooze. Give me a little bit of filming peace. So locate the next section, or if you like, skip 2. There's your single, there's your chain 1 space. Insert your single crochet into there. Oh, I love crocheting into spaces. Oh look, here we go, cat hair. You can't escape them. Honestly, they're everywhere. Anything I make for people, I have to check that they're not allergic to cats, because that could obviously be quite a problematic scenario. So double, and then we've got one more left to do. So skip, skip, find our chain 1 space, place ourselves a single crochet in there, a chain and a double. And I would say this is a really lovely advanced beginner stitch, because it's only using the most basics of single, chain and double, and with it being obviously crocheting into spaces, it makes it really, really easy. So after we've finished, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the turning chain with a half double crochet. And my turning chain, as you can see, wow, that was a beast, wasn't it? Sometimes they're really tiny, but I was obviously quite loose with my stitch. And the thing about turning chains is they do always slip down the side, so don't worry, you're not trying to get it in here or anything, because this is actually would have been a single crochet on the other row going that way. So we're going to yarn over, insert into my massive turning chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 on the hook. So really, really simple. You're going to chain 1, and that will be my turning chain for next time. You're going to turn, and you're going to locate your chain 1 space, which essentially is skipping this turning chain, skipping the last half double crochet we did, skipping the last double crochet and finding our space here. So we're going to place a single crochet in there, a chain and a double crochet in that chain space. So we'll give it one more go. Moving along, here we go. Here's the chain 1 space, single crochet, chain, double crochet, and there we have the Wattle, soon to be renamed something a little bit nicer on the ears, stitch by Crochet and Tea. If you like what you see, it'd be great if you could subscribe. I do regularly upload new crochet videos and tutorials. As always, happy hooking. Goodbye from Crochet and Tea.